Hello, welcome to Powerhouse Investment. I'm Powerhouse. I'll tell you episode, give you the moves that I've been making in crypto. Um, there's another self-deflating cryptocurrency out there. It's called Frags. I'm have a link down below. And based on this one, they had a Frags remain on the website. Avoid is like this as well. It's self-deflating. I missed out on the airdrop, but there will be another airdrop probably in like next week. So stay tuned for that. I'm keep updating, let you know when the next airdrop start. But this token is going to be the same like Void. And Bond was the original self-inflating coin. Let's take a look at. I'm running this bomb on my Forex. Probably not. EOMB. Bomb is not on here. Crypto. Well, we can look at the chart over here. Let's take a look at bomb on Coin Market Cap. Cause this was well, it's not on the top 10, but I'll show you the price of it and everything. Okay, bomb right here is at $9.64, and basically it wasn't always at $9.54. It was basically hovering around at $1 for the longest. It looked like it came out May 24th. And then it stayed at $1, $1, and then it just shot up on June 11th. Shot up to $8, down 7, 7, 8, 5, and then it just shot up again to $13. So that's pretty much a 13x you got in right here at 1x, like around $1, and sold at 13 the high point. You would make $13 off this, and they was giving this away for free. I heard Siobhan J. He got the free airdrop, and the airdrop was $1,000 worth of bomb when it reached $10. So you basically got 100 bomb for free, and it was worth $1,000. So that's not bad on the airdrop. So don't sleep on this frag. Airdrop is going to come out too. This will be the third inflationary token, and there's probably one more coming out in the month of July. I'm going to let you know on that. So right now, I'm hopping on the bandwagon on this self-deflating token after the proteges, the first runner, bond had success. But it's only 1 million bond now. That's interesting. So they might not hit. Void and Frag may not hit that fast because it's only 1 million supply. And actually, I might try to buy some of these off the what's the name? I do want to hold on to about maybe 2 of them. That's all I can read for right now. But it's looking like Bomb's good with self-deflating token. It was the first one. So I'm expecting Frag and Void to do the same thing. Maybe not $10, but probably $5. Consider it's 10 times more tokens on Void and Frag. So keep an eye on that. Definitely wanna, if you're a crypto collector, you wanna add bomb into your package, get like 1 or 2, so you have proportion of the bomb total supply. What else out there? And this is Void. This is a Void coin. This is a contract. Actually, it has went down. It has went down like 13,000. So it's been like 3 days since it's been listed on the market, Tron market. So we're looking at, it's burning 6,000, or more like it's burning like $5,000 a day right now of Void token. So that's good. We are getting transactions. So the lower this money, the lower these amount of tokens go, the more it's worth in value. So that's good. What else I have for you? And then there's Tron Bet out there. They still paying dividends. Got a big 1 million pool right here. Go pay 4 Tron in about 8 hours. So this can be a really big pool. A really, really big pool. Okay, you got 8 hours to go. It's already at 5. And that's from paying out 4, but it still got 20 hours to go. So that can be nice too. Around 20. Let's take a look at my last pool. Let me go here. See how much I got last time. Dividends. Profile. So I didn't get 8 Tron last pull. Not the greatest, but it's nothing. And I have a total of, well, it's inflated. So man, I got 670. But I basically earned 7 Tron in like 2 days. Cause I was out of town. I was in Reno. I played a little dice for the first time in a long time. Real dice on the dice table in about 5 years. So that was fun. I was in Reno. I pretty much pushed and didn't really make no money off the craps, but it was fun. Got some free comps in there. I played for about 3 hours. And another thing is I got my Void token finally. I can see they airdropped me about 300. So, no, they airdropped me about 200, like 240 or something like that. So that was good. So now, and I bought like 200 of them, 300 of them. So now I got 559 Void tokens. So I'm in the game. Right now, you could sell them for, you could buy them for 5 Tron. And you can sell them for 2.8 Tron. Not that many. So it's about 2 Tron, really. About 2 Tron you can sell them off for. So it's not a whole lot of value. Not even people know about it. But it's in its baby phase and it's taking off well on a contract. Burning is doing what it said, burning 3%. So that's good. As you see, 3% I burned in the process. And they do that on all the transactions. They send the people. So that's going well. And now let's do a Forex. I'm trying to get good at this Forex trading. I'm doing pivots now. Doing a lot of pivots. So let's go look at the 30-minute chart. And I'm find something I can put on my MetaTrader 4. And this is how I'm doing pivots. So the move I'm making on Forex trade. Now I won't pick that one. I won't put something that's at the support or resistance. So I'm looking for 30-minute chart that's somewhere on that line. This kind of like on a line, but it's on a pivot line. So I don't really know if it's going up or down. This is on a support. This on pivot line. It's on pivot line. It's on a pivot line. Pivot. So when it's on pivot, you can't tell if it's going up or down. If I don't find none that's off the pivot, then I'll go to step 2, phase 2, which is just getting something that's crossing the line, going in the direction you want it to go. Okay, we have a decent one right here. See how it's on the R1, which is resistant, and that's support. So this is, well, actually it's going up. So it's not really going in the direction you want it to go. So that's not perfect, but it is something to watch out for. So Euro Japan, I might do that one. But let's look at the rest of them. That's a good one too. But I ain't gonna go with that one. Can't really find nothing. The market just opened not too long ago. This is a decent one. It could possibly go down 200. Which I'll call it a little bit earlier. I really wanted to hit that line, so GB Chief was a good one. And basically, I'm just looking for that resistance. Like this one hit the resistance. This might be the best one. Because see how it started off here? See the cycle of this? Everything is a cycle. And a cycle is basically it's going up. Of course, that's that resistance, and then come down to that kind of like support on a P. And it goes up and comes down. It's been doing that for a while now. And this time it took a huge surge up. It crossed that line, kind of like right here, and then it surged down again a little bit. So all USD is like the best one right now. Let's see, can I find another one? This is how I scout for my Forex trading. That one that's good. That one's almost a good one too. But I would need this arrow to start going back up. I don't know how far it's gonna drop. So I'm not gonna do that one. I think it was all CAD. Forgot which one was it. The one we was gonna do. That's a good one too, cause it's gonna come back up, get some support. That's on the 5-minute chart though. I don't want to do 5 minutes. I want to do 30 minutes, so I get a bigger gauge on that. I do whatever I can get. I'm trying to be over 10 pips, so I'm trying to do over 10 pips. So this one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set my parameters. I'm just gonna say it out loud on how I do this because it's gonna be on the Forex, which is not up here. Make sure I log in the right account. So I'm gonna do all USD, and basically I'm getting in now, and it's gonna be a sell because I think it hit that mark and start going where I want to go, which is down to repeat this cycle. So I'm gonna go all USD and put a sell order on that. And then I'm going to now what I learned for Trevon James is you don't want to go all the way down there because it might not hit there, but it's doing this cycle, so I want to be the cycle should end like right here and start going back up. So I want to get out before then, so I want to do it like halfway between that line. So I'm gonna go like it's just gonna be a little bit, but it's a big move on there to get like over 10 pips. So I just need, I'm gonna do 320. Find out 319. I'm gonna do that because that's halfway in between. Probably up a little more. Cause see how it dipped down, and then this is like a lot of support right here, really. So I won't be up on that by a lot. By at least 77 pips. So that's good. 320. 320 be a good exit point, but I'm going to keep my eye on it. I'm thinking it should go. I was 8-0 on trade in the week last week, so I've been having a lot of success trading like this. So I'm going to put my take profit at 69,320. And then I'm putting my stop loss. Let's see how high this thing can go. I'll put a relatively short stop loss because it's kind of like in a buyer market. So I feel good. I set my stop loss, my take profit real low because it looks like it could pull up to this resistance line, resistance 2. But it is a resistance 2. So I'm gonna go a little bit above. Let's see, this is resistance 1. I don't necessarily want to go to resistance 2, Go. I don't want to do 50 pips. That's too much for the little amount of profit I'm making. I'm just gonna go halfway. Uh, 800 is still a lot too. If it go higher than here, it's gonna go higher because this is resistance. So if it goes a little bit above the resistance, okay. But if it breaks this much of the resistance, that means it's definitely gonna go to resistance 2 line, which is like um, at what is that 70,000 .7. So I don't want .7 cause 7 that's quite a bit pips away. That's like 50 pips once again, 50 pips. So I want to basically take like a 20 pip run on the stop loss, which will be right there. So that's gonna be my stop loss. How much I'm winning and lose to catch this trade. Because I know if it past that, it's going to higher highs. What Trevon J talks about in the show. I learn how to take my trading game to the next level watching this crypto weather. When he said higher highs and lower low, like for a minute while I was watching, I was like, why he said that? Why he said that higher highs and lower lows? But then after watching like 10 of his episodes, I started getting an understanding of like what higher highs means. Like once you past that first resistance, then that means you're gonna have higher highs because it's gonna go even higher. And then when you pass that first support, which is like right here, that means you're gonna have lower lows because it broke that support line. Cause usually like it don't break that support line, and as you see here, once you go down, so you hit that support, and then it bounced up pretty much into the P, and then hit that resistance, meaning it bounced back down. So it's been doing that on this trade, and right now it's very close to the resistance line, but it looks like it should get some pullback at resistance 1 and break even. But once again, I got my stop loss to prevent that higher highs, because if it passed resistance 1, go to that point I showed you like right here. Pretty much, if it passed that, we gonna see higher highs. So it could go all the way up here. Then that means a whole new cycle forming. So I hope you get that. That's my trade, Forex trade view, Forex trading session right there on how to place a trade using pivot charts. Stuff what I'm using now. I'm using TradeView to do that. So that's the moves I made. Got the Void coin. I'm signed up for airdrop number 2 on Frag. I missed out on airdrop 1. I'm bringing that to you guys when Frag drops out, and it's one more dropping next month. And then another move I made, I want to get me like 2 bombs. This is like at $9. I might just watch it in a couple of days. Hope it drop down to like $6 or $5, so I can get like more, like 4 or 5 of them. But those are moves I made, and those are moves I'm going to make. With the bomb, buy more personal, more bomb, buy more crypto, and I'm still earning for trying bet, earning about 40 trying a day, which is close to like $2 or $1.50. So that's pretty good. So at the end of the week, I'll be able to make a major purchase right now. So once a week, well, I can make 2 major purchases because I'm dropping $10 from fiat money in here. So I can almost do 2 purchases a week with the trial bet revenue coming in, give me 1 purchase, and then my fiat money coming in every Tuesday, give me another purchase. So I got a little cash flow coming in so I can make moves. But if my move is slow, I got a large amount of money coming in, I'm going to be making moves on the Forex trade and show you how I'm doing that and show you my results. And that's pretty much it for Powerhouse Investment. Thanks for watching the show. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.